If you're a devoted meat eater, the best rotisserie oven is the exact appliance that you need to step up your cooking game. Via a slow and even self-basting process, your meats are likely to turn out extremely juicy, tender on the inside, perfectly brown, and crispy on the outside. This versatile oven is capable of accommodating a variety of large ingredients, including varying-sized chickens, holiday turkeys, and Cornish hens. What's more, most rotisserie ovens also excel at different styles of cooking, making them an exemplary addition to any kitchen. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 rotisserie ovens on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ronco Showtime Platinum Edition Rotisserie Oven. If you're looking for a top-notch rotisserie oven to cook your meats to perfection, look no further than this Ronco Showtime Platinum Edition. With a spacious interior, this oven can accommodate 2 large chickens side by side or a 15-pound turkey for a delicious crowd pleaser. Thanks to the self-basting rotation, the meat is delicately cooked in its own natural juices to deliver that juicy and tender flavor. Meanwhile, its heat reflector ensures even browning on all sides of your food items, resulting in a mouth-watering dish that we epicures crave. Additionally, you have access to 3 functions and a countdown timer that can be set up for 3 hours. Also, this appliance comes with various useful rotisserie accessories like a basket, oven gloves, and food ties, all of which are dishwasher safe to save you some time and effort. Aside from this second-generation model, you're also flexible in choosing the original Ronco ST5000 PLGEN Showtime rotisserie oven of roughly the same price. This edition is a great choice to keep your electric bills low as it consumes significantly less energy than its contemporaries. Number 2. Levi Vertical Commercial Rotisserie Oven. This robust Levi commercial rotisserie oven is the ultimate choice for people running eating establishments, restaurants, and other industrial kitchens. Holding up to as much as 13 pounds of meats, this oven can conveniently serve a large crowd of people during peak hours. The durable stainless steel housing is sure to withstand the test of time as it's not susceptible to corrosion and rust. Thanks to its anti-oil splash shield guard, you have the freedom to cook the perfect and juicy rotisserie chicken without any worries about burns or harmful, dirty grease. However, as this product allows you to cook large volumes of food at once, you'll need to pay attention to the food's shelf life. For instance, it'll help to keep in mind the time length cooked chicken should sit out. Otherwise, you might end up with large chunks of inedible food. Furthermore, this rotisserie offers a wide temperature range from 50°C to 300°C, which you can accurately regulate via the intuitive control dial like a breeze. It also rotates evenly and powerfully without noise to give your poultries and meats that irresistibly palatable flavor. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Air Fryer and Rotisserie Oven. If you're attempting to get an all-rounder oven, which specializes in making healthy and delicious dishes, then this Instant Pot Vortex Air Fryer and Rotisserie Oven is your best bet. This feature-loaded oven is compact, simple to use, and extremely durable for long-term use. From air frying, dehydrating, and cooking on a rotisserie, this unit excels at different styles of cooking. You have the flexibility to choose the precise functionality on the sleek touchscreen. Since it doubles as an air fryer, it's super helpful in preparing low-fat meals on weight loss diets. This air fryer can help you make breakfast dishes, delectable appetizers, and various desserts. Who knows, such a simple kitchen appliance can be so versatile. Unlike previous models, this Instant Vortex oven employs a rotisserie basket, which allows for any vegetables, meats, and other cut-up foods of your choice for a desirable mixture of flavor. Plus, all the removable parts are dishwasher safe, thereby saving you time on the housework. Number 4. Kazori Co 130 AO 12-in-1 Rotisserie Oven. Not only a reliable machine for rotisserie meats and poultries, but this 12-in-1 Kazori rotisserie oven is also ideal for people who love to indulge in homemade desserts and baked goods. Featuring a wide 30-liter interior, it can easily hold up to a 13-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast. The Kazori oven is intuitive to use with the 2 control knobs and a modernistic LED readout that informs you of the accurate adjustments. Plus, the interior light turns on 1 minute before the cooking is finished, so you can have a quick sneak peek of your food's state and color. Finally, it remains quiet when in use, meaning you're sure not to wake up the entire family preparing a delicious breakfast. There are various handy accessories included in the set like the cooking trays and a rotisserie assembly, all of which are of decent quality and can withstand daily uses. Number 5. Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360 Rotisserie Oven, loaded with a variety of convenient functions, from air frying and slow cooking to rotisserie. This Emeril Lagasse 360 Rotisserie Oven is undoubtedly a game changer that'll make your day-to-day cooking easier. Moreover, its sleek stainless steel profile matches almost any kitchen style. When it comes to mastering a health-conscious diet, this oven is second to none. Boasting 5 high-powered heating elements and 360 innovative technology, it cooks with up to 70% fewer calories from fat, thereby helping you lose weight while still enjoying a bit of indulgence in delish treats. Besides, thanks to the extra-large capacity of 930 cubic inches, you're able to make quick and filling dishes on a daily basis. It also effortlessly accommodates a big chicken or turkey, which means there's always enough room for this juicy and flavorful dish in blissful family dinners. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.